My country for una, welcome back to my channel today. Phyna and MUltichoice meeting, they hold their meeting today, and the outcome of the meeting don't cause unexpected drama for internet. And also, Whitemoney don't go sing with Timaya, and fans they not find am funny at all. So for Big Brother house that time, Big Brother Naija All Stars, there was a day where Whitemoney dey ask Big Brother say, Big Brother, do you think I have talent in music, all those type of things? Big Brother can't just dey give the boy hope, all those things. So the guy na for that diary session, he come vow to say he go must win Grammy. So since he come out of the house, he have been putting so much effort to win the Grammy, and now he don finally dey collabo with Timaya. So you all know Timaya na one of the big shots for the music industry for Nigeria, and na so he come invite Whitemoney so that two of them go sing song together. So na the aftermath of the song wey two of them sing together, the rehearsal wey they do, na im come cause reactions for netizens. So make una lis ten to the song for una sef. Una don hear Whitemoney now. Even Timaya wey dey there don laugh belle scatter, na God go help am. So fans now, the Otamiemie fans, dey hail am say wow wow wow, while some people dey talk say no no no, hidden talent should stay hidden forever. So make we read some of their comments. So the first person say, is Timaya trying to control his laughter for me? Another one say, wetin concern Timaya? Na im money im dey find. If you like, dey shout like cat. Another one say, some hidden talents should stay hidden. The next one say, my brother, we be dey back you for this your Grammy stuff, but e be like say Odumeje go first you winner. The last person say, even Timaya tire for our next Grammy winner. Wetin Whitemoney no know be say he is more of a comedian than a musician. If he fit channel this energy into comedy, the boy go blow, because naturally the guy dey effortlessly funny. So unto Phyna matter, as we all know, Phyna don dey call out MUltichoice over the one BTC wey be say dey owe her for close to 2 years now, be 3 years, and they never even dey shake body to pay her money. She come make some announcement a few days ago say her legal team don already schedule a meeting with MUltichoice to talk about how Quidas, the sponsor of that particular show that period, go take pay her the one BTC where they promise her as prize money. So na the meeting na be say na she go today with her legal team and media team, wey be say they come make the conclusion. According to wetin they conclude, Unique Soap and Pepsi go deliver their 1 year supply of their product by tomorrow, go give her. Then for the one BTC, Quidas dey talk say they no get money, say so they go pay her for the value of the 2022, that year 2022, which is 13 million. According to them, say one BTC, the value of one BTC that time for 2022 na 13 million. Phyna come say she no go try am, she no go collect am. Travel Better now dey claim to say they go give Phyna the trip to where she wan go, say but dem no go give her Maldives, say na Morocco and Kenya. Phyna say she no go ever try am go Morocco and Kenya. So make una just lis ten to how the meeting go for una sef from Phyna mouth.
They didn't give it to me 2023. I asked severally. 2024, I'm trying to take what's mine. They didn't even want to still give me till I started speaking out. And now you're telling me you're going to give me 13 million naira. Are you for real? So what happens to all my lost for the past 2-3 years? What are you going to tell me about my lost? Did I just sit down? Listen, I'm a businesswoman, very calculative. Will you think I'll just sit down and allow myself to run on a loss? And now you're telling me you'll give me 13 million naira the rate of 2022, which is also a lie? No, please, let's not do this. Honestly, like, the truth is, I don't know. Let's just not do this. Let's not do this. You should have given me my one BTC in 2022. you should have. I felt, I don't know, it's triggered something in me that I think enough of the plays, enough of, honestly, like, did you look at me that cheap, that low, to tell me to first choose between Kenya and Morocco? It remains small if you tell me to choose between Ghana and Togo. Like, what's the difference? It remains small. I've not been to Maldives before. I'm happy to go there. And I'm happier that I'm going on a prize that I won. And now you're telling me about Morocco and Kenya. Is it Morocco and Kenya that is hungry me that I can't go? Please, you guys should run this trip for two. Please, run it. Let me go and take picture in blue sea, sleep on top of him, Please, don't deprive me of this enjoyment. Please, you guys should stop laughing. Honestly, I would say I didn't hear what they were saying. I would say they never said that. Let's not go there. What happens to the damages? What happened to the expense? I started working, period that I was supposed to sit down and be enjoying my work of 72 days. I started hustling back to back as if I didn't win. Did you guys think I was playing? That's because you guys didn't give me my calculate. That money, I never even seen as if I don't build house, I don't calculate house. I've calculated it. You know when you don't spend money when you never see finish for your brain. I don't spend that money for my brain. I don't keep on. Please, let's not do this for real. Honestly, like, any reasons. Of which number one, the reunion. I keep saying it. I said it today at the office. I said, when the time comes, I would want to know what happened to day one clip of our reunion. That shit dealt with me. That's the reason why a lot of you think I am that bad. Yes. Majority of the hate on this gram came from, I don't know, but please, at least, who they beat, they not say who they beat no cry. Who they beat go cry. So I beg, you not go feel the beat person now. You say me no cry. True, go cry now. Let's not do this. It's not giving nice, honestly. So please, Quitters, check your BTC. Send me one BTC. This is 22. And also, yes, to say, Quitters now said they want to pay me in cash. Sorry, in naira. They said they want to transfer 30 million naira to me. So there's a bit transfer money like this, then they not transfer 22 million, give me in 2022. Now they whine. Come on, I be like picky. Even if they call me Raz, I know that a lot of you've taken to say, oh, this guy is local, this guy is Raz. But bro, if you reach money matter, don't whine me, not check, don't even price.
My dad maybe say they talk, know your right for this country. Even if you not go school, ask people, say, what be my right for this kind of matter? Ask people. Try me, they get people where be say you go fit ask certain educative question if you know say you not go school. Imagine say as Phyna be Agberu, she not know her rights. And so other plenty money for to enter voice me. Some people will not get sense. As they tell them 30 million, they go dive on. They go say, give me the 30 million, I don't want to know wala make I go. You know not say you can easily get more. If you never do anything with MUltichoice before, you go know see those people, they very strict with whatever it is they are doing. You not fit cheat those people. You not fit cheat MUltichoice for anything. So them cheating another person is something we will never accept. They should pay her the complete 1 BTC website they owe her. Travel better, that stinginess one they do, they talk say Morocco and Kenya. Phyna look like we no go fit go Kenya or Morocco. More na give am the Maldives wey be say una Dubai close. Okay, fine. Carry and go the Maldives, una get the money. Please, this particular thing wey Phyna do go help other winners wey be say they come, they will get their prize in full. And any of them when be say they come now, their eye don't open, they'll see say, una remember that Lekon time. If not be Lekon fans fight for her, for that land where Revolution Plus promise and that time. Na odi for the boy. Now later they come carry the boy go on bush for Ibeju side. They promise this boy land for Lekki. They carry the boy go Ibeju side, go give am one bush as land. After the fans don't fight tire. So make una dey learn to dey talk for the things wey be say say na your right, na your own. una take care, una bye.